we've got another hot update for your affiliate manager system. Guess what? Now you can customize the naming to fit your industry right inside the affiliate manager. This is great because now you have the ability to really personalize your affiliate manager to your business and to your industry. You are able to fully customize the labels and the names within the affiliate manager, tailoring it precisely to your business's terminology and your business branding. Let's talk about why this matters and how it's going to help you. So, name tags, affiliate campaigns, and more. Now you get to make these perfect for your industry or your target market. You get to customize labels for improved user engagement, and it feels more personalized. It's a better experience that leads to enhanced user satisfaction. So let's talk about where this is located and how you go ahead and start customizing this. So first you're going to go over into the left-hand menu on your desktop and you're going to select the Marketing tab. From the Marketing tab, you are going to go to the Affiliate Manager. Inside of that drop-down menu, you're going to choose Settings. And now you're going to start editing your labels. And then you're going to go ahead and save those changes. It's that simple. It's just a little bit more personalization to make your business pop when it comes to affiliate management. I hope you enjoy this new feature and reach out and let us know what you think or if you need any help.